Hello again. In this lecture, after we have seen how to do the DOS attack, I'm going to show you how to hack the WEP networks in a manual way in case of the Wi-Fi TE tool doesn't work. So let's open the command line. Let's run aerodump-ng again. Okay, here we go. These are the networks around us. I'll press Ctrl C. This is the network I'm planning to attack, which is running under WEP encryption. As I have shown you before, we will do the attack specifically to this network. So we'll do aerodump-ng PSS ID. We'll specify this network, the channel, and before specifying the interface, just I want to write the data which this tool is going to collect in a file. Just I'll give it any name. Let's say lab 1, and I'll specify my interface, and I will run this tool. As we can see here, the data figures are very less. So to be able to hack the WEP network, you need to get a high number of IVs. The IVs are the initialization vectors, which is required for encryption. We'll use it here to crack the WEP key. So this is very less, so I will force this router to create more data packets. By the way, when you see this figure is less, that means this network is not busy network, but we will force it to generate more data packets. So to do that, let's open another terminal. First of all, we'll do fake authentication to authenticate with this network. Currently, we can see here there is only one station connected to this network, and now we will do fake authentication even if we don't know the password. So we will use AirPlay-ng as we have done before, but instead of B with fake authentication, fake auth, we will use A and the same MAC address here. And let me just remove this from here. And fake auth, we can give it just 0 delay. And we have to add here my MAC address, and as you know, to get my MAC address, you can write fconfig. This is my MAC address, and if you don't want to use this one, just you can change it as we said before. So the first 12 digits, it's our MAC for our wireless adapter, which we are doing the attack through. I'm gonna keep it here. Then I will specify my wireless adapter name. Then press enter. So what you can see here is this is my MAC address, and it's with 1F. It's here, 1F, and it's connected to this network. The second thing, we will do AirPlay-ng, but instead of fake auth attack, we will do AirPlay attack, and here there's no number required, and instead of A, we will use B with the same MAC address and the same the same MAC address for my machine, and I'll press enter. So if you notice here in the data figures, it's 14372. The network was just waiting any user or any ARP packet to be sent to this network, and then you can see how fast this is generating and how fast this number is increasing. The highest number you get, the faster you can crack the key. So while both attacks are running, I'm gonna show you how to use AirCrackNG tool to analyze the file which we already write the output of this attack to it. Let's split the terminal and we'll write AirCrackNG, and it was lab 1, and AeroDumpNG, it's just add 01 to the file name. Just it adds a serial number to each file it creates. .cap, enter. Because I have done it before, so it's lab 102. And as we can see, this is the key. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3, and here is the hex key as we have seen before in Wi-Fi TE.